His story is called Why the Bat Flies by Night from Nigeria. A mouse called Oyat was a great friend of Yang the bat. They always ate their meals together. The mouse was jealous of the bat. When the bat looked for food, it was always very delicious.
How is it that when you make the soup, it is tasty?
I always boil myself in the water, and my flesh is so sweet that the soup is good too. I would show you how it was done. It was boiling water.
But it was not boiling water, it was warm water. Yang jumped into it and very shortly afterwards came out away.
Here,
It tastes good.
This is because the bat had prepared it beforehand. The mouse went home.
I was going to make good soup like the bat. Pour some water.
Then, when his wife was not looking, he jumped into the pot and was very soon dead. When his wife looked into the pot and saw the dead body of her husband falling, she was very angry.
oh my God, I would report it to the king.
Arrest the bat for tricking the mouse.
Everyone tried to catch the bat, but he flew away into the bush and hid himself. Everybody was trying to catch the bat, so he had to change his habits and only came out to eat when it was dark. That is why you will never see a bat in the daytime.